Greetings from SolidRF. Today, we're going to go through the SuperSpeed Signal Booster Kit. Let's get started. When you open the box, the first thing you'll find is the manual. This will give you step-by-step installation instructions, as well as technical specifications. There's some really good information in here, but let's set that aside for now. Inside the box, you will find two primary components. The first is the outside antenna. The second is the inside antenna. Now let's start with the outside antenna. This is a directional antenna that needs to be pointed towards the nearest cellular tower to your home. It's what we call an active antenna, which is quite special. It means that it itself is powered. This greatly reduces insertion loss and means that you can get the fastest upload and download speeds available from your signal booster. At the bottom, we have a port that will run the cable from the outside antenna to the inside antenna. And on the back here, we have 4 bolts that will be used in installation. Okay, let's set that aside. The inside antenna is very sleek, easy to set up. It does not need to be mounted on the wall. You can simply place it wherever you'd like in your home. On the back, we have the power adapter, which we'll show you inside how that plugs in, the connector port for the outside antenna, and also an LED alarm light. This light will flash if there are any problems during installation or if there's something wrong with your setup. Now, this is omnidirectional, as opposed to the outside unit, which is directional. So place it in the center of your home, very easy to install. Okay, now let me show you the bottom of the box here. We have the power adapter, which plugs into the inside unit, mounting brackets, an L bracket and a Z bracket, that we can use to attach it to the pole. Now this pole is pretty heavy duty. It accounts for a lot of the weight in the box. And we've included this in the kit, even though we find it to be a very convenient option during installation to have this. Now putting it all together, all of the hardware combined with the pole will look like this. You can see there's the 2 brackets. We have wing nuts to tighten it down, and these U brackets here to attach it to the pole. Okay. Lastly, inside the box, we have the cable, which will run from the outside unit to the inside unit. This is 45 feet long, and it's an LM240 cable. So it's pretty heavy duty. Remember, when you're installing your product, do not kink this cord. It's pretty rigid, don't kink it. All right? So let me put some of this aside, and I'll give you a quick explanation of how you need to install the inside antenna in your home. So let's imagine that this is your home. Quite a nice, lovely 2-story home you have here. Here we have the outside antenna, which again is directional. So if your cellular tower is over here, this needs to be installed on the roof of your home, pointing in that direction. Keep in mind, it should be lower than the highest point of your home. Now, the inside antenna, let's open up, going to the first story of your home. Because it is omnidirectional, it should be installed somewhere in the middle of your home. Somewhere along here would be great, maybe on this side would be fine as well. Okay? Well, I hope that was informational, and happy boosting. We'll see you next time.